Come test drive the 2017 2500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. 2. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.